Area, hello, now they welcome for football in Pidgin. After match, talk how you see them. Arsenal 2 and Aston Villa 1. And we get Oga Well to be very ogbonge Arsenal fan, make tell us about how he see the game. Oga Well, 5 wins out of 5 games so far for the Premier League. Now, what do you get to talk about this Arsenal performance?
My body just sweet me with the game where I see today. My body sweet me well. You understand? It shows say this team we dey improve. You see the way we take come back again, our mentality. You see I say don't change. If we fit carry this mentality enter on Sunday, we will take play Maya. No say Maya go sweat because this game no stress. We coordinate the back. It's just that cross, the keeper no expect am. That mean we fit conceive today. But I believe say for Man U game, it go be more difficult game for Man U because Man U no na ready because the way they see this Arsenal, maybe una go regret why una not buy more players sef. Join the one una dey sef because the way they see am, I no see say I no know that Man U go fit break this defense. The way they say am, Man U wan score, e no score pass one goal. That na if they get the chance. So I love the game wey I see today. My body sweet me well. This one na the first time in 18 years wey Arsenal dey win 5 straight game. E never happen once. But with that, they show us say in 2003, 2004, we go love to watch Arsenal now.
No be lie.
Now be wetin we dey see now. But it dey sweet us to watch Arsenal. So if we go Man U game, say Man U not fit beat us. I believe say na 10 straight unbeaten match now we wan go so.
Na loud one now you talk there, Oga Well. You say 10 straight unbeaten games.
Yeah.
But make I ask you about Gabriel Jesus. 3 goals from 5 games, and he don't get 3 or 2 assists already. What do you get to talk about this signing? Because for this game, I think saying give Aston Villa's defenders plenty trouble. What do you get to talk about Gabriel Jesus signing?
Man City, I want thank Man City first.
Officially.
Yes. With the episode they give us player wey be like say no go fit start.
Na less.
But now they dey see am say yes, wetin they give us now. You dey see the leadership in him now. Wey they even comot am sef, you dey see am say the passion still dey, still get the passion say make the boys do well. If na before for our defense, that 1-1 maybe e fit end like that now. But you dey see our quick response. You dey see am say the agility wey be like say Gabriel Jesus get. He wan see say the club win something. And we like that mentality wey he carry. He can't make all the young boys dey upgrade. Our response to every goal we dey conceive, you dey see am now. So Gabriel Jesus, his contribution to this club is massive, very massive. Go check only a highlight for only this first 5 games. You go know the pressure wey that guy dey add. You be like Mane for Liverpool, he dey press high. And so Gabriel Jesus just be. He dey worry any defense. And I'm happy.
Yeah, you talk about the effect when Gabriel Jesus don't give the young players. Man, more talk about one young player for this Arsenal squad. Gabriel Martinez, 3 goals in 5 games now. What do you get to talk about this player? Last season, I think for the whole season, we know say no play for starting to the end, but I think now only 6 goals in score last season. But what do you get to talk about Gabriel Martinelli performance so far this season? 3 goals in 5 games for young player. I believe say that one a ogbonge achievement. But how you see him as Arsenal fan?
Well, I would say Arsenal, we dey lucky. Because if you see wetin we take buy this boy, the money not be anything. Last season, you dey see the boy improvement. It's just an injury disturb am. But this season, you dey see am for this our 5 match. If not be him, you dey see him work rate. Not be even Saka wey we dey carry dey go up. Forget say don't get like 3 assists. But you dey see am say na Martinelli. If you want to look our front, the wing, you see am say na Martinelli dey do all the whole major work. Wey be like say, you know say if you hold ball, he must produce. He must produce. So his performance, he dey show maturity. Say this boy, he don learn a lot now. I believe say with Gabriel Jesus there, you know say they be brothers now.
Gabi.
Yes. The high spirit, yes, go don put out for a body. And I tell you before, say this boy, if he enter a peak, he dey score according to match wey he play.
Don't be like you talk last week.
Yes, he dey score according to. So just a wash out. The way he take dey go, you're surprised say he go play 10 matches, he go score 10 goals. I say this boy just be. If he just pick his form, he's unstoppable.
Make I ask you now, Oga Welt. Many people don't they talk, opposition fans, rival fans, they talk, say, this one na initial gaga Arsenal day. You understand? Say Arsenal they sabi start season well. Say, but later, once season don't reach December, January, at that time Arsenal will come the jam portal for road. You think say it go be like that time, or the way you see from what you see this Arsenal, you think say something don't change. How you see this matter about what they talk about? Say Arsenal once January reach, they must come down.
Change, not change. There is always changes. If you see the squad what we get now, and the squad for the last 10 years, you'll see how say this squad balance. And we never celebrate any of our defense. We, we never compare any of our defense with the current defense wey we like say we dey see so today. So that one go boost us. E go boost us. I believe say before tomorrow midnight,
Yeah,
we
we
must
transfer
bring
window
one
go ahead.
person, either Danilo or that Modric. We must bring one person come. That one now go ease everything. With the people we get for bench, they never play o. Those people never play. We know say yes, from next week now we'll try observance now. How they'll take come back from on Thursday, go on Sunday, go play. Now then we want you see their strength. Now then we'll take know their strength. You understand? Their mentality to come back from Europa Cup and go win match for Premiership. Then you know say with the last season experience, I believe say this time they will know say if you miss out for January, you don't miss out of everything. So now are they happy say we dey win this game? Because from November go na break don come. So e go drop the form of everybody. Some still even come back say dem injure. So this point wey we dey carry, I believe say if we can enter next year, the form forget say we get old bad record say for January we dey flop. But I no see am from this squad. Because even last season sef, you dey see am say those smaller clubs, the lesser clubs, e dey dey difficult for them to play Arsenal. So I no see Arsenal say they go sleep for January.
Okay,
Maybe
go
no
ahead,
problem.
complete.
Maybe people dey think say this from Arsenal. Na so people still dey criticize them now say no worry, na just 5 match, na just e no easy o to win 5 match. E mean say top 4 sure for us like this now, 15 points.
Like this, top
Yes,
for sure.
e sure. Arsenal must finish top 4 to get 15 points in 5 games. Top 4, that top 4 sure for us.
All right, now make I ask you now, Oga Wealth. For this performance now, which player be your man of the match?
I'll give her to Martinelli again. I give her before, now him I'll still give again. You dey see the boy work rate, you know the rest. And today you see am say na him God bring the goal, the winning goal. He deserve the man of the match now. He deserve am. Na him I go give 100%. Martinelli, my guy.
All right, now, Oga Wealth, before I will let you go now, you don't talk say top for sure. But I want to ask you about one big question mark when they for back of this Arsenal team now. We dey see say today now Liverpool dey struggle one kind. We never know the score, but before now 1-0
They
they
draw now.
okay now 1-1.
Yeah.
We dey see say Liverpool dey struggle one kind. But Man City, we see they say Man City they deliver. You think say Man City Arsenal go fit push Liverpool and Man City for this Premier League title?
Yes now. If we can continue at least, like I tell you, if Arsenal go 10 game unbeaten, just add them join the title contender. If they fit go 10 game unbeaten,
lose.
whether they draw, but may they not lose.
May they not lose for 10 games.
Yes, because inside these 10 games, so we get Tottenham, we get Liverpool, down we get Man U. It go test our mentality where it go show the world how strong we be if we pass those tests. So it go show us how strong we be. So now that one now I just dey look forward to that 10 match. Then I can boldly say the cup we dey among. Liverpool dey struggle now. They struggle. That Mane, they never, because that Mane high pressing, they miss am.
They miss am.
Yes, so if Liverpool plays some tough side like Newcastle, you see and say they struggle now. If they play tough side, you see and say go dey difficult for Liverpool.
All right, now, Oga Wealth, before I go let you go now, you talk about the Man U game. What do you predict for that game for weekend? Man U Arsenal.
Well, I predict Arsenal to win 2-0.
All right, now, Oga Wealth, thank you for your time.